Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be replacing the outdoor garage lights with something a little bit more modern. Let's check it out. Hey, if you like my videos and you find this one useful, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe? Really helps me out. So these are our existing garage lights. We don't really like the style, and another thing, I don't know if you can tell from the video, but this black is turning a gray color. It's not really very weather resistant. It kind of looks corroded. So we're going to be replacing it with a more modern looking light that has a black, which is supposed to not have any rust corrosion capability. Happy birthday to my wife. These are our new outdoor garage lights. They are more modern looking than the ones we have now. And they also have a sensor, which is cool. You just leave the light switch flipped on and it will sense the light outside and turn the lights on and off for you. Remember, whenever working with electricity, turn off the power. Entry, outside lights, 14, 12, 14, this one. After turning off the electricity, the first thing we're going to want to do is grab a ladder. Once your ladder's in place, of course, the first step is to start disassembling the light. I've got my Halloween lights in right now, but we'll take the light bulb out. And then each fixture is going to be a little bit different. This one's held in by two nuts right here. So that you're going to undo these lights and this should pop right off. Light is out. Once those bolts are removed, this will just slide right off. And of course you're going to want to disconnect all of the electrical connections. Remembering which one's which, ground, black, and white. Just spin off these electrical nuts to disassemble these wires. Once those wires are disconnected, just set your old light to the side. Using my impact driver to take off this old hardware. You can tell it's not quite centered in this little square here. Now just taking a damp microfiber cloth and cleaning off the area. You might also want to do some touch-up paint at this time. Depends on your situation. Just giving you a closer look at this mounting hardware. So the one that was there before was vertical like this, but I might have to spin this piece to miss the electrical. Just need to make sure that these two holes, or these two posts, are going to be exactly center up and down and left and right in your area. So I need to measure that square to find out those dimensions. But again, your situation might be different, but hopefully this will help. You can see from mine, I had to put it on an angle to avoid these wires coming out. And I've got it what I think is pretty center up and down and left to right, but we won't know until we start mounting it. So we're going to take these little nuts off and put on our new light. Of course, we'll also want to remember to wire these in to the correct white, black, and ground and replace the wire cap. Okay, wires connected and the nuts are secured. Just to show you the difference in blackness between the two. So this one's got quite a bit of erosion on it. In theory, this kind won't do that. Plus they also look a lot cleaner and the lines are straight, matches the house. There we go, the finished product. Looks good. I will leave a link to this product in the description and hope you enjoyed watching. Subscribe.